guys, welcome back. You guys can see that we got the car running. So the issue with the distributor was that it wasn't seated all the way and the rotor would not spin. And the reason it was doing that was because of the old distributor clamp, this old cheap Chinese one. So I went and got a new aluminum one from CB Performance and it works now. So we got the timing locked out at 27 degrees at idle with 5 pounds of boost. So I did mess around with the timing a little bit. I started out at 0 degrees and worked my way up, and 27 degrees was about the happy spot for it. Engine doesn't start building boost until 3,000 RPM, and in about 3,500 RPM, there's 5 pounds of boost, and it just keeps on climbing. And one of the reasons why it builds boost at high RPM because of this header. This header is an 1 5/8, so it's too big for my 1600. Don't get me wrong though, the car is really fast on the freeway, but I really want to build boost around 2,000 RPM. And one of the ways we're going to do that is we're going to build a bigger motor. So this is a AS41 case. If you can see through the plastic, but it's cut for 94s, and I got a 74 millimeter crank. We're not going to build the engine today. It's just going to be on a later video. I'm just gathering parts now. But that's an update on what's going to happen down the road for this car. So now today we're going to install an air fuel ratio gauge. So we're going to head to Emmett.Racing to go pick it up. See you guys in a second. All right guys, so I just got home. I got the AFR gauge and the O2 sensor comes in a kit. It took a little longer than expected because I went out to dinner and did a photo shoot with the car. I also got more parts delivered today. So I'm gonna show you guys the little clip of the photo shoot we did today, and I'll see you guys in the morning. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started. Kind of have a mess here. I have it all opened up. I'm going to use a bung from CB Performance. Let's get to it. All right guys, so we took the downpipe off. We're going to take it over to the drill press and make the hole for the bung. I need a bigger step drill bit, so I'm gonna go check out the drawer really quick. All right guys, and there it is. All we got to do is sand the downpipe and then weld it on. That's how it's gonna look. We're gonna weld it now. But the bad thing is that my welder is out of gas, so it's gonna be some shitty ass welds. Let's do it. Nothing like a grinder and paint can fix a shitty weld job. All right guys, so here's the O2 sensor installed. I actually ran into an issue. The cord that was supplied in the kit was too short, so I ran it through the heater channel all the way in here, and it's mounted right here. So this cable is going to be temporary because it's too short. I'll probably have to get an O2 sensor extension cable. So here it is, it's on. I think it has a built-in heater for the O2, but I think the lowest setting is 7. The highest is gonna be 20 or 20 plus. So we're gonna need the range between 12 and 13. So that's basically it, guys. I just wanted to install this over the weekend. It's all in. We're gonna be tuning it later, or I'm gonna mess around with it, but we're gonna definitely tune it and see if I have the correct air fuel ratio. And that's it, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one.